Welcome back to Premium Option, the channel designed to help you learn and profit from the stock market and options trading. Today is going to be a pretty quick video. We're just going to go over a tutorial of how to do a call debit spread or a bull call spread. So this is a really good strategy if you're bullish on a stock, but also want to limit your risk into your options trade or whatever you're going to. So if you are brand new here, make sure to subscribe down below and also like the video. It really does help out the channel a lot, and we'd really appreciate that. And on top of that, if you do want to join our completely free Discord where we talk about everything that has to do with the stock market, options trading, and things like that, you can join completely free. The link is in the description down below. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Let's make this a quick video. So we're going to pull up any stock that you want. For this example, we're going to use AMD, ticker symbol over here on the right side. And on Webull, they give you a really cool strategy tab right here to where you can kind of pick what strategy you want. So you can do this as a single option if you'd like and kind of build it out yourself. Or if you want to make things simple, you can come down here and click vertical, and it's going to give you your very own kind of pre-built way to do a bull call spread or a bear call spread, or whatever it may be that you're trying to build out. So the next thing we want to do is make sure we're on calls if that's what we're going to be doing, and then pick your expiration. Typically anything around 30 days or that mark's always good to go with. So we're going to pick this expiration 26 days from now. Then we're going to go down to the share price of around $106. Then what we're going to want to do if we're doing a bull call spread or a call debit spread, we're going to want to pick the ask price from right here. And we're going to want to go just a little bit under the share price, completely up to you, but this is just for example. So we're going to do the 105, 106 debit spread. Once we click the ask, it's going to populate right down here. The leg one, you can see we are buying a call at 105. And then the second leg, we're going to be selling a call at 106. Now, you know that this is a debit spread because of two reasons. Right down here, it's going to give you an estimated premium. It's going to say debit, $52, so you're going to have to pay for this. And on top of that, if you do click over here, you can see your max loss and your max profit. So you can adjust this any way that you'd like. So you can see that our max loss is definitely more than our max profit. So if you want to adjust this, we can click on a different ask price, and it's going to repopulate right over here. And as we check the numbers, you can see that now our max profit is a little bit higher. So if you guys were interested in doing any of those vertical spreads, all you have to do is pick your expiration, come over here, click on a vertical spread, and you can click on any of these ask prices, and you can see that it will automatically populate for you. The debit is going to change with whatever you pick. You're going to just have to change the quantity, which is what I'm doing over here. And you can see that your max profit and your max loss change as you go up in price. And you can change this as however you'd like. So you can see that all of this is changing. And another really cool thing that they offer you is this graph. So you can see what you're going to be doing. Now you can also change the width on this. So if you want to change the two strike prices, you're able to do that as well. So let's say we want to go up in strike prices, and now we're going up in two. So what you're going to see here is that instead of the 105, 106, we're going to have a 107, 109 call. So we can click on that ask, and it's going to again auto populate for us. And you can see that the call that we're buying is closer to the share price. So that's another way to tell that it's going to be a debit. So if we check this over again, we can see that the max profit and the max loss have changed. So another thing, again, coming back to the graph, you can see how this would play out, your expiration. If you want to change the width again, you can change these around, which is really cool. And then you can kind of just go from there and kind of toggle a bunch of different things however you'd like. So if that video helped you guys at all on how to do a call debit spread on Webull, we'd really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel down below and also like the video to help out any other people that may want to know how to do this as well. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.